Hi guys, let's do this eyeshadow look together using animated eyeshadow palette. Please note this video is a very detailed and long video. If you are in for it, let's go. So I started off using a concealer as my base because the eye there was no product on the eyes, and I just wanted something to like cancel off that skin look. So the next thing I did was to go in with a brown base. You can use your gel liner, your lipstick, anything that is creamy and that will blend. Please note you have to blend this part very well so as not to get any harsh line after when you apply your eyeshadow. So after blending, I went in with my eyeshadow to set the brown gel liner I put on the eyes. So I am using, just like I said, the palette I showed you in the beginning of the video. That is what I'm using. So after applying the color I want on the lid to set that base, I make sure I blend it, and the next thing I go in with my crease color. I went in with a dark brown eyeshadow from my Annie's with the browns palette. I'm so sorry that I'm not showing the colors I used in this video. I didn't know that it didn't capture it, but I'll try as much as possible to do that in my next video. So this is me just blending the crease color. Remember, there are no rules in makeup, so far your makeup is well blended. So after going in to blend my crease color, then I went it with an orange color for my Annie's with the brown palette to blend my transition. So after blending, I make sure I blend. Please remember, eyeshadow is all about blending. Regardless of the colors you have on the eyes, you have to blend so as not to get any harsh line. So after blending my transition shade, then I go into because I've lost a bit of the color I had on my lid, so I go into put that back. Then the next thing I go in with a shimmery eyeshadow also from that palette. Then I apply it on my lid. Please note the shimmery eyeshadow is just on the lid of my of my model's eyes. So after I use my hand because it's easier for me to like blend and control with my hand. So after applying the shimmery eyeshadow, so I wanted this smoky effect. I was going for this smoky effect at the outer corner. So this is me just using my a black eye. You can use whichever black eyeshadow to achieve that. So I'm going in to accentuate my crease color. So after going in with that, I make sure I did it on the first eyes and the second eyes. So the next step, I just wanted a little bit of pigment. I wasn't going for a full pigment on this look, so I just wanted a bit of pigment. So I used my pigment glue, and I also applied a bit, just a tiny bit of pigment on my lid. Please note, this look I am not going for, I didn't want to apply pigment all over the lid, so just a little bit. So I completed the rest of the look off camera, and here's the final look. Hope you guys like it. Please do well to like, comment, and engage on this post. See you next